Hi, so in this video I'm going to go over Prep Test 56, Game 2. Okay, so here we have 4 people, Grace, Heather, Josh, and Maria, G, H, J, and M. Okay, and they're going to help each other move exactly 3 pieces of furniture. We've got the recliner, sofa, and table. I'm using uppercase and lowercase cursive here to distinguish between the 2 groups of players. Each piece of furniture will be moved by exactly 2 of the people. Okay, so exactly 2 per piece of furniture. And exactly each person will help move at least 1 of the pieces. Okay, so we have a minimum of 1 of each of these. We do have a different number of players versus positions, right? We have 4 players, 6 positions, so we're going to have to use at least 1 of the players more than once. Okay. Grace helps move the sofa if, but only if, Heather helps move the recliner. So if, but only if, okay, that is a biconditional. Okay, so we could do that double arrow there. So if Grace helps move the sofa, Heather's going to help move the recliner, and if Heather helps move the recliner, Grace will help move the sofa. If Heather doesn't move the recliner, then Grace doesn't move the sofa. If Grace doesn't move the sofa, then Heather doesn't move the recliner. So either both of these things are true or neither of them are true, okay? So one example of a biconditional statement. Okay. Rule 1. Rule 2. If Josh helps move the table, then Maria helps move the recliner. And if Maria doesn't move the recliner, then Josh doesn't move the table. Okay, so this is just a regular conditional, right? Only one direction. So these are our triggers, these are our consequences. Just because Maria helps move the recliner, it doesn't necessarily mean that Josh helps move the table. Okay, so that's the difference between these types of rules, right? This one, you can go both ways. This one, it's just one direction. 3. No piece of furniture is moved by Grace and Josh together. So we could just say we're never going to see them, in this orientation in our table. We could also say if G helps move X, that's a stand-in for furniture, then J does not help move that. If J helps to move X, then G does not help to move X. So you could write it as a conditional, just to kind of keep things consistent. That is also one way to do it. Okay, so that's the setup. If there's something in the rules that you misinterpreted during your first try, maybe now that you've seen me go through the rules and do the setup, you might want to try the questions again on your own. So I'm going to leave this video on its own, and if you want me to go through the questions, please let me know.